Student, today we will learn the next point of state of line, that is types of state line. Now the point is symmetric type. What it tells? This tells this way that here is a line, given line, that it is lx plus my plus n equal to 0. That it is a given line. And a point x1 y1 is given. A line passing through this point having angle theta inclination or n equal to tan theta. Now you have to find the distance from P intersecting this point Q to this line. How will you find this R? Okay, so we can use this formula x minus x1 upon cos theta equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta equal to r. Here what is theta? Theta is the inclination of this given line, and x1 y1 is this point from where we have to find the distance along this line intercepting at this point Q. We have to find PQ distance r. It is not 90 degree. The perpendicular distance is here. So we have to find r. This is your questions. This is known as symmetric type equations of this line. How we will use here? We find x equal to, from here, r cos theta plus x1. x1 plus r cos theta. And y is equal to, from here, y1 plus r sin theta, r sin theta plus y1. Using this point intercepting at taking as Q. Q satisfied line lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Put here value of x and x1 plus r cos theta, and y is y1 plus r sin theta plus n equal to 0. Using this we can find the value of r. R is your questions, so you can find the distance r along the given line passing through x1 y1, which inclination theta is given intersecting the other given line lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Okay, now you can find the value of r using these equations. Learn this formula very carefully. Now you can use this. Okay, student, now we learn the new things that a line is given ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and we want to find the perpendicular distance from P point to here. This one, PQ. Now it is perpendicular distance we want to find. So PQ distance is equal to a x1 plus b y1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. If it is positive or it is negative, use this mark and write PQ distance, perpendicular distance, in positive form. Okay, take the magnitude of this line. Right? Okay. Now, this one is the perpendicular distance from x1 y1. If x1 y1 is 0 0, then what happens? This is perpendicular distance from origin. Then what is the value of c? Then it is PQ is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c. And put x1 0, y1 0. Okay, so you can find under root a square plus b square here. So your formula is PQ equal to a c upon under root a square plus b square. So directly you can use this formula, and it is perpendicular distance from 0 0. Okay, so use this formula. And what is the use of this formula? Now look here. Here are two lines parallel one side, and it may be parallel to opposite side. what is the distance between these two parallel lines? Distance between two parallel lines. How will you find the distance between two parallel lines? This we want to know. That parallel lines are ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Check carefully. This should be equal. Okay, if it is not equal, divide or multiply using this, you can take this equal, then it will be the parallel line. And distance between parallel lines, that is C1, C2. Take this with sign plus minus. Okay, difference under root a square plus b square. If it is parallel line, it is not equal, you can take this equal according to questions. Now this is distance between parallel lines. Okay. Now students, you will see some more things, that here is a triangle, angle is theta, inclination is theta 1 and this inclination is theta 2. Let this is a given line. Okay, now you can see this line is anti-clock. If theta 2 is greater than theta 1, then it is anti-clock. Okay, now see here what happened. This one is theta 1 is given, similarly this, but now this theta 2 is this side, right? Now this is given line, so you can say it is clockwise. Clockwise. So now it is theta. So you can see if theta 2 is exterior, then it is anti-clock. If theta 2 is exterior, theta 1 is exterior, and it is given theta 2 is clockwise. Okay, in these conditions, theta 2 equal to theta plus theta 1. So you can use tan theta 2 equal to tan theta plus theta 1 equal to tan theta plus tan theta 1 upon 1 minus tan theta tan theta 1. Theta 1 is given, the slope is given, angle between the lines is given, then accordingly you can find the theta. Okay, if it is positive, then it is anti-clock. Okay, if it is negative, then it is clockwise. Right? So using this formula, if it is positive, then it is anti-clock. If it is negative, then it is clockwise. You can see here. Right. Whatever is given in the questions, using this formula, you can, using this theory, you can solve the questions. Okay. Now we learn new things, that if a line is given, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and 2 points are given, x1, y1, x2, y2, that here is a point joining this line AB, that it is P, it is ratio lambda to 1, it is internal section, then points are opposite side. Okay, so we can see the position of the point. What is here? Position of points. So they are opposite side, right? They are opposite side. Now, if they are the same side, x1, y1, x2, y2, so you can see here, it is A, it is B, it is P, and you can see from this line, x1 point lies on this line, then this is lambda is to 1, that is externally. Okay, lambda is to 1, then it is externally. Then points are opposite side, same side. Okay, Now this point xy lies on this line. So using formula lambda equals to 1 we can use this one. So what will happen? X plus by plus c equal to 0. What is x here? Lambda x2 plus 1 x1 for x2 plus upon lambda plus 1 plus b lambda y2 plus 1 y1 internal section formula. We are using here internal section formula plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now multiplied by lambda plus 1 and solve this, we can find the value of lambda. So we make a formula here. What is the formula here? A lambda x2 plus a x1 plus b lambda y2 plus b y1 plus c lambda plus c equal to 0. So we can take here lambda a x2 plus lambda b y2 plus c plus a x1 plus b y1 plus c equal to 0. We take the common lambda from one side, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the value of lambda? You can find the value of lambda this way: minus a x1 plus b y1 plus c upon a x2 plus b y2 plus c. So you can use this formula directly. Okay. If it is positive, then opposite side, points are opposite side. Okay. If it is negative, same side, points are same side. Right. So you can use this formula informally and can find the position of the points same side or opposite side. So student, go through this formula and be practice, then you can learn this formula. Okay student, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.